All right, let's make a stack, but let's make it a little more interesting maybe. We'll try maybe some different shapes, or different proportions of cylinders. We'll start the normal way, right? We'll make one on top, one on the bottom, but maybe let's give ourselves multiple cylinders down here. All right, maybe we're even seeing some here. We can draw that bottom where it's sitting. And maybe we're imagining, or we're seeing that other one in the back there. And that also gives us a nice guideline for where to lay that next foundation down. And maybe we'll do just a couple more down here. But again, I like doing that ground piece. You can decide where would you have the other pillars showing. And with this one, along with us doing a little cast shadow work on it, we'll shade the opposite side for the lighting, right, to help define the form. And then we'll also, I think, do a little bit of the overhang shadow there, like right here, where we know that that's got to be overhanging those columns below. So first, let's start with top left lighting. All right, so we'll shade opposite side there. Do a little bit of contour work just to help shade the form. Again, we're doing it on all these now. And then we can think about cast shadows a little bit. Right, in all directions here. Just gonna mostly worry about the ground shadow. Technically, all this would be in shadow underneath here. And then a little extra for the overhang here might be kind of nice to help give that depth a little clarity. All right, and from that end of it, I'd probably go ahead and do almost those in complete shadow. So just to give it that thick outline a little bit to help clarify the forms. All right, and then we'll do these ones down. Got just these top couple layers. And that's how we start building up a little more complicated stack.